Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to the Best Investing Money Management channel on YouTube. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the top 3 stocks that I just bought because they have been on sale. These stocks have sold off quite a bit, but still carry a strong outlook for the future. Now, the very first one here is SBUX. This is ticker symbol SBUX. Now, there's a variety of reasons why I bought this one, but the very first one is they have a extremely strong revenue, users, and growth. You guys can see here, they have a beautiful upward trend. Lows here at $85, highs here at $120. If you'd have bought at the lows, sold at the highs, that's a return of about 43%. If you just held it for the year, that's still looking at a return of right around 23 to 24%. Now, one of the main reasons why a lot of people love SBUX is because of dividends. Now, SBUX does pay a solid dividend of about 45 cents every single quarter, which may not seem like much. Hey, I get that. But over the course of a couple of years, if you guys use DRIP and reinvest those dividends, you will start this compound effect where it will start ramping up. And before you know it, you're looking, at $10 a quarter, then $15 a quarter, then, 20, 25, and you're just building the snowball. You're pushing that snowball down the hill and fueling it, right? That's the biggest thing. Not to mention you have that solid upward trend with growth and users and revenue and all of that good stuff. Okay. Another reason, probably one of the most important, is this, okay? SBUX has sold off around 12% off its highs, which always is pretty much a for sale sign for investors. It's nothing to freak out about because is SBUX going to close tomorrow? Absolutely not. SBUX is one of the most popular coffee shops in America and if not the world. And they have been killing it lately on the revenue and all of that good stuff. So I really think too, it's going to start using this 200 moving average line as some overall support, this yellow line here, which it's done in the past. And it looks like it's having a hard time breaking below it, which is always a good sign. Not to mention on the RSI, it's rated at around a 39 or so. So I think we'll start getting some buying pressure stepping in here for sure. Now, stock number 2 is one that we've talked about in the past. It's FB. Now, Facebook is one of these companies that has beautiful growth, beautiful cash on hand, beautiful revenue, but it's sold off about 16% off its highs, and it has this tendency to use that 200 moving average line as some overall support. Very similar to SBUX, but we see it here on the chart. You can see it taps it several times here and we get buying pressure. So now I think we'll get in on a pretty solid price point. Now, I have been investing in Facebook for years. So really for me, this is just averaging in my price to a better price, right? Because I invest into this company, probably on the monthly basis, really. So I think that buying in huge lump sum of probably about $1,000 to $2,000 would bring my average price to a very, very fair price. So when the stock recovers, which it's had, this stock, this isn't the first time that this stock has sold off that much, right? You can see this crash rate in here. If we actually go and we look at the 10-year chart, you'll see another one. You'll see here, you'll see major dips. So sell-off is common, especially with growth stocks. So you always have to have this long-term outlook. I really think that looking back, we're all going to wish we would have bought a little more of Facebook here when it's sold off. Now, it's growth, it's volatile, it's completely understanding. You just have to have that long-term outlook, and you'll be just fine. Alrighty, so the next one here is one that we bought in the past, very similar to Facebook. It's Pins. Now, this is Pinterest, okay? Pinterest is one of the more volatile stocks out there. You can see it does go up and down at some pretty rapid rates here, but if we actually go ahead and we go to the yearly chart, you can see it a lot clearer, okay? So for me, I really think it's going to start having some support step in anywhere from 43 to about 50. Right in this zone, I think we'll start getting some buying pressure stepping in. This is a company that has great revenue, great all of that stuff. The only downside is their last earnings. They missed it. So for me, am I going to go heavily invested in this one? No, I'm going to be just putting maybe 1 to 2% of my portfolio into this company because yeah, it's a growth stock. It's going to be more volatile, but it carries reward. Pinterest has been growing at a extremely rapid rate. They are on the brinks of becoming profitable, and I really think that's going to be a very strong thing for this company here. It's just another one to just keep an eye on at least and see kind of what's going on. For me, am I going to be going right now? No, I'll probably dollar cost average this one out for the next couple of weeks so I can get a good average price, but it's definitely want to get get in now, hold it for a year or so and see kind of what's going on with it. But guys, there is a variety of other stocks out there that have sold off and have a ton of opportunity. Let me know if you guys want me to make some more videos about this. And if you have any questions about anything, let me know in the comments and we will see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe. Take care.